Hello. How you doing? Well, my name's Nate. I think I'm gonna show you how to shave. Need a blade of some sort, something sharp to cut those hairs off your face and make sure it's not dull or rusty. Okay, now you get it. You see it? You see that blade? I'm gonna get a little wet. Oh, wait a second. Now you can either just shave your face with water or you can use something known as shaving cream. And that's right, people, I said it. But I also got it's organic something fancy shaving cream. I might put a little bit on my face. Some people don't like it. Some people don't trust it. Others love it. Others swear by it. Wow, sometimes I don't know nothing from nothing. I ain't doing it. Now I got my shaving cream on my face. After I get my shaving cream on my face, I'm gonna take my blade. I'm gonna wet it, and then I'm gonna start. Now I'm gonna put the blade in the water and rinse out those bad little old whiskers. Now it's okay. That feels nice. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So you simply just keep going around your face, shaving those whiskers away. Yep. There. Look pretty good, don't it? I hope you enjoyed this video and learned a lot about shaving your face and keeping it clean in this world. Now, if you want to, you can share, you can subscribe, and you can like.